welcome back to Learn with Samvedya. Today we are going to learn about jobs and occupations in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, English, doctor, Telugu, doctor, Hindi, doctor, Kannada, doctor. Number 2, English, teacher, Telugu, Upadhyayudu, Hindi, Adhyapak, Kannada, Guru. Number 3, English, police, Telugu, police, Hindi, police, Kannada, police. Number 4, English, firefighter, Telugu, Mantalu Mapevadu, Hindi, Dharmal Karmi, Kannada, Agni Samaga. Number 5, English, farmer, Telugu, Raitu, Hindi, Kisan, Kannada, Raita. Number 6, English, engineer, Telugu, engineer, Hindi, engineer, Kannada, engineer. Number 7, English, driver, Telugu, driver, Hindi, chalak, Kannada, chalaka. Number 8, English, nurse, Telugu, nurse, Hindi, nurse, Kannada, nurse. Number 9, English, tailor, Telugu, daji, Hindi, daji, Kannada, daji. Number 10, English, chef, Telugu, vantakare, Hindi, rasoi, Kannada, adugagari.